In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Morph transition in PowerPoint. This feature can really bring your presentations to life, adding a seamless visual flow between slides. Whether you're aiming to impress in a business presentation or enhance a school project, understanding how to employ this transition will elevate your work to another level. Let's dive right into the steps required. First, you'll want to open your preferred browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint. Once you've accessed the web page, go ahead and click on the link to open the application. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your presentations. After logging in, you have the option to either select an existing presentation or start from scratch by creating a new one. Whichever you choose, the Morph transition requires at least 2 slides to function, so start by creating 2 slides in your presentation. On the first slide, add the elements you wish to animate. This could be anything from text and shapes to pictures. Once you're satisfied with your design, duplicate this slide by right-clicking on its thumbnail in the slide pane and selecting Duplicate Slide. By doing this, you now have a second slide containing the same objects, perfectly positioned just as you placed them initially. Now, what's really exciting is that on the duplicated slide, we can bring those objects to life. Here, you can move them, resize them, rotate them, or even change their color. A simple example would be moving a picture to the center of your slide or enlarging a shape. Feel free to get creative with the modifications you make to see what looks best. Next, click on the thumbnail of the slide where you wish the transition to start, essentially the slide under which you've altered the objects. Now we're ready to apply the Morph transition. Head over to the ribbon at the top of your screen and click on the Transitions tab. This will present you with a number of transition effects. In the Transition to this slide group, locate and click on the Morph transition. This transition creates a smooth, fluid movement from the first slide to the second, automatically calculating the fastest path for each object's transformation. Once applied, you can click on the Preview button to test and view how your objects morph from one slide to the next. This will give you an immediate look at how the morphing effect enhances the presentation's dynamics. And there you have it. You've now successfully learned how to use the Morph transition in PowerPoint. This tool not only makes transitions look effortless, but also ensures your presentations are engaging and memorable. Keep practicing and experimenting with different elements to see what unique effects you can create. Happy presenting!